Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how to fix Google Chrome your connection is not private. So first of all, what you could do is head over to your settings application. You will see a search bar, tap onto it and type in date and time. You will see date and time under general management. Open it, select date and time again, and make sure this automatic date and time is toggled on. And likewise, if you would like, you can also toggle on this automatic time zone. For the next step, long tap onto the Chrome, tap on this I button, scroll below, select storage, and then clear the cache. Now, what you have to do is, you're going to have to simply restart your device, then launch your Chrome and see if it changes anything. If it's still not working, then you're going to have to turn off any VPN that you are using. Make sure that you have disabled the connection and it will definitely work for you. Thank you for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.